Good morning, Liverpool class, and welcome again. I hope that you're continuing to keep well and safe. This morning we're going to be having a look at instructions. Can you remember what instructions are? Instructions tell us what to do. It's a command, isn't it? Maybe at home you could start off by playing a game of follow the instructions, like put your hands on your head, clap your hands, tap your knees, stamp your feet, click your fingers. Let's have a look. What do instructions need? They need to be written in the past tense. That means it's already happened. You need to use imperative verbs and adverbs. Imperative verbs, they're like bossy verbs. They're the ones that tell you what to do, like put, get, place, spread, eat, draw, paint. Adverbs, can you remember adverbs? They end in ly, don't they? Like slowly, gently, carefully. Let's have a look at some instructions now. This one, we've planted a seed before. Instructions need a subheading, like what you need. And the dots, they are bullet points, aren't they? So we've got a small pot, soil, seeds, watering can, and water. The actual instructions, look, it's got the subheading, what you need. Now, the words in red, they are the time conjunctions, like first, then, next, after that, finally. The words in blue, have a think what they might be. They are the imperative verbs, like fill, add, put, cover, pour. They're the commands telling you what to do. And then finally, the words in green, look, carefully, gently, or you could have had slowly. They're the adverbs because, look, they end in ly. Can you see that we put detail, look, in the first and first, fill the pot with soil. We could have put, but it's added to just below the top. And at the bottom one, look, it says, after that, cover the seeds with a little more soil. So they've added little more soil. Now then, I want us to think about a sandwich. Okay, I'm going to a very simple one. How to make a jam sandwich. So I've got the pictures there, look, of the bread and the butter and the knife and the jam. And then I've wrote my instructions of how to make a jam sandwich. Look, I've used the subheading, what you need, and I've done 4 bullet points: jam, butter, knife, bread. And I've also done the instructions. I've done the subheading, what to do. Each one of my sentences starts off with a time word. Each sentence of mine has an imperative verb like butter, spoon, spread, place, cut, get, eat. I've also, in a couple of the sentences, used an adverb, like in the third one. Then spread the jam gently. And I've added that bit more all over the bread. And in the fifth one, I've put, then carefully cut the sandwich. And I've put in half and half again. So you would have quarters, wouldn't you? And I've added, can you spot the 2 adjectives that I've used? One to describe the jam look. scrumptious strawberry jam. That would be alliteration too, because they both begin with S. Scrumptious strawberry. And in the last one, look, eat your delicious sandwich. Okay, now then, I want you to think about a sandwich that you might make at home. What are you going to put in it? What ingredients will you need? Which imperative verbs are you going to use? Which time conjunctions are you going to use? And which adverbs are you going to use? Now then, Mrs. Tarry would love to see a picture of your sandwich, a photo of your sandwich, and a beautiful set of written instructions. I hope that you enjoy this task and happy learning again.